How are you feeling?
Much better since I got my glasses from hipoptical.com.
I meant like...
Unbelievable. They deliver custom prescription glasses to my door in under a week.
I'm talking about the progress that we made.
We sure did. Hipoptical.com has saved me hundreds of dollars because they priced all their glasses at just $99 with the prescription lenses.
I don't think you're getting it.
Oh, I am. It's so easy. Just go to hipoptical.com on your phone, pick your favorite frame and your prescription type, and that's it. Glasses will be delivered to your door in less than a week. Talk about fast.
All of that for just $99?
Yep, and you wouldn't believe they throw in ultra-thin lenses for free. Let me show you. See, they have the nicest selection of frames I've ever seen.
Oh wow, those are cute. But what if the frame doesn't look good on my face?
No problemo. Hipoptical.com is so confident in their product they'll let you try any pair for 30 days with your own custom prescription. Don't like them? Send them back. No questions asked.
Wow.
I know, right? Prescription glasses delivered in less than a week.
Go to hipoptical.com and find your pair today.
Click the link right below this video. See? It's right there.
Where?
It's right below the video. You can just click the link and go to hipoptical.com. Come on, click it. Just click the link.
Click right there?
Yeah, right there, right below the video. Or go to hipoptical.com.